Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some arroz con leche. I already have uploaded this video before, so I'll put the link below. But this time around, I'm going to be making it for a dessert table. And these are the little cups I'm going to be pouring them in. I'll show you how I'm going to decorate it. For this recipe, you're going to need 2 cans of lechera, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 can of carnation, half a gallon of milk, some vanilla. So 2 cups of rice. This has already been washed, and if you're wondering what kind of rice I use, this is the kind of rice I use. It's brand El Mexicano, and it's long grain rice. For the decorations, I'm gonna be using these little chocolate sticks, some raisins, and cinnamon. So let's get started. And what I'm gonna use for the containers are these ones. I did buy these from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree doesn't carry these individuals, so I had to go online and purchase this box. It got shipped to the Dollar Tree store. I got an email and then I went and picked it up. So this is a box of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 24 of these 6 packs that you have to purchase. So in order to get it, you do have to purchase a box. So I went ahead and purchased it, might as well, so I can keep it for other events or any parties. I can use these little cups. So for this recipe, what we're gonna do first is I have 6 cups of water right here, which I'm gonna go ahead and turn on, and we're gonna boil this. We're gonna go ahead and add the cinnamon stick, and we're gonna let this boil. Once it's boiled, then we're gonna add our 2 cups of rice. This rice has been washed. So after this boils, we'll put the 2 cups of rice. So we're gonna let this boil. 6 cups of water with the cinnamon stick. Let this boil, and then we'll add our rice. Okay, so now that the water has boiled, we're gonna add 2 cups of the rice. We're gonna mix this. Okay. We're gonna cover it. And very important, we're gonna lower our temperature to low. And we're gonna cook this for 25 minutes. Lower the temperature and cook it for 25 minutes. Okay, perfect. So it's been 25 minutes. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna remove this pieces. So it's been 25 minutes. So what we want to go ahead and do is add half a gallon of milk. We're gonna go ahead and add half a gallon of milk. We're gonna let this boil, and it's very important that you mix so the rice doesn't stick to the bottom. So once you see that the bubbles start forming on top, now you're gonna add that evaporated milk. And mix it. And you are gonna remove the cinnamon stick. So this is gonna be removed, and we're gonna throw it in the trash. Mix it. And we're gonna add our 2 lecheras. So I'm gonna add So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and mix. And this is going to start to thicken up. Once it starts to thicken up, it will add the vanilla and the arroz con leche will be ready. It looks full at this time, but it's going to start, as soon as it starts thickening up, it's going to soak up all of that milk, the lechera, and the condensed milk. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. This is my favorite vanilla I like to use. We're going to keep mixing. Mixing, and it's gonna, as soon as it starts thickening up a little bit more, it will be done. And you want to keep mixing it so it doesn't stick and it doesn't build like this layer on top. So keep mixing. Just make sure to, you can mix, stop for a little bit, and then mix again, just so it doesn't create this kind of like thick layer on top of the arroz con leche. Just make sure that when you're cooking your arroz con leche, you cook it on low and you keep mixing so the arroz con leche doesn't stick and it comes out really nice and creamy and moist. So this is just gonna thicken up a little bit more and it will be done. So you can see that the arroz con leche is done. It is thicken, it has thickened up. So I am going to let this cool for a little bit before I put them in the little containers. But wow, it's just super creamy, delicious arroz con leche. So this is how they came out. It made 36 of these cups. They are just super cute, very fancy, great for dessert tables. So I'll be taking this to a baby shower and I'll show you guys how I plated, just to give you guys an idea, but they're super cute. I was gonna add these, but I think I'm gonna wait till they cool down, and I'll probably cut these in 3s and just kind of put them in there, but I'll wait till they cool down. They're completely refrigerated, so once I plate them tomorrow, I'll show you guys how they look. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. They were just super cute, nice, fancy, and nice little arroz con leche.